Emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that provides a cushion in the event of unexpected expenses, financial setbacks, or emergencies. Having an emergency fund is a fundamental aspect of personal finance and can help individuals navigate unforeseen circumstances without resorting to high-interest debt or disrupting their long-term financial goals. Here's everything you need to know about emergency funds. Purpose of an emergency fund. Covering unplanned expenses. An emergency fund is designed to cover unexpected and unplanned expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, home repairs, or sudden job loss. Avoiding debt. Having an emergency fund helps prevent the need to rely on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt to handle unforeseen expenses. Financial stability. An emergency fund contributes to financial stability, providing peace of mind and reducing financial stress during challenging times. Maintaining financial goals. It allows individuals to continue pursuing their long-term financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house, even when faced with unexpected costs. Key characteristics of an emergency fund. Accessible emergency funds should be easily accessible in times of need. Consider keeping the fund in a savings account or a money market account that allows quick and convenient withdrawals. Liquidity. Choose liquid assets for your emergency fund, ensuring that you can convert them into cash without significant loss in value. Separate account. Consider keeping your emergency fund in a separate account to avoid accidental spending and to clearly distinguish it from other savings. 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Financial experts often recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. The exact amount depends on factors like income stability, family size, and individual circumstances. Regularly reassessed. Reassess your emergency fund periodically to ensure it aligns with changes in your financial situation, such as a new job, a change in living expenses, or other significant life events. Building an emergency fund. Set a goal. Determine a specific savings goal for your emergency fund based on your monthly living expenses and financial situation. Create a budget. Develop a budget to identify areas where you can cut expenses and redirect funds toward your emergency fund. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund each month to ensure consistent contributions. Prioritize fund growth. Prioritize building your emergency fund before focusing on other savings or investment goals. Using an emergency fund. Genuine emergencies. Use the fund only for genuine emergencies, such as medical emergencies, unexpected car repairs, or essential home repairs. Temporary loss of income. Tap into the emergency fund. If you experience a temporary loss of income, such as job loss or a reduction in working hours. Frequently asked questions. How much should be in an emergency fund? The recommended amount is often 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Individuals with more variable income or higher risk factors may aim for a larger fund. Where should I keep my emergency fund? Keep the fund in a liquid and easily accessible account, such as a savings account or money market account. When should I use my emergency fund? Use the fund for genuine emergencies, such as unforeseen medical expenses, necessary home or car repairs, or temporary loss of income. How do I rebuild my emergency fund after using it? Once you've used your emergency fund, make a plan to rebuild it by consistently saving a portion of your income until you reach your target amount. In summary, an emergency fund is a crucial component of financial planning, providing financial security and flexibility in times of need. By establishing and maintaining an emergency fund, individuals can better navigate life's uncertainties while staying on track with their broader financial goals.